I'm Rashika and I played an entrepreneurship card game today and it was very interesting. Actually, it gave an idea that we can also start up and like we are more or less scared that whether it will be a successful or not, but it gave us a courage that unless we face this, we won't be able to succeed. So there was that courage that I got from this game. Thank you.
So hi guys, this is Shubham. Today I played a very interesting entrepreneur game known as Heuristic, and it was a very fun-loving game and game based on the cards, which is a very well-known game type of in India. And I think that everyone should play this game because it's very interesting. And best of luck with the game and your career.
Myself Kashish Yadav, and I was a part of a Heuristic startup game, and I enjoyed it thoroughly, and it was about entrepreneurship and it gave me a good idea how to work upon this skill, and it was also a very fresh thing because while I have not done such thing, and it taught me team working and to get open up and to understand others' person perspective.
My name is Sagun and I played today Heuristic startup game. It was a card game and it was very interesting, and it was something which was beyond books, and it taught something about entrepreneurship. We got to learn a lot of things about how some problems can come and how we should be ready for solving that problems. And yeah, this is something aspiring entrepreneurship should play, and yeah, gain some practical knowledge.
My name is Richard. I played the startup game. It was really fun. I learned a lot about how to be strategic about getting stickers from others and how to be opportunist by giving them red cards and getting those yellow cards, trump cards. I really loved it. I get a lot of this in further sessions. Thank you so much.
We learned 4 different things. First was to strategize, planning next move, destroying others' opportunities. It's better to coordinate. And third, it was a fun way learning. 4, smallest things make this. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Danish, and today I have played a Heuristic startup game, and it was very wonderful, and it is a nice experience for me. I have learned so many things from there, and one of the things is that it's a game which shows that there will be a lot of obstacles from the other sides. So you have to be ready for that and try to overcome these obstacles. And is that there is a lot of coordination is required, a lot of thinking and strategy is required to win a particular things in your life. And that's all the thing I acquired from this game. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ayushi Nivedia. I played a Heuristic card game, startup game today. It was very innovative. It had entrepreneurship card definitions also on the cards, which gave me new ideas to start with something of my own. And it is a very interesting game to play with. And I'm looking forward to such more great ideas.